Could the job you do today be completely taken over by robots in the near future? If you're a doctor, there's already robotic technology capable of performing surgeries and medical exams. If you work as a chef, robots that can cook are available. And if you're a factory worker, robots have long been carrying out production tasks. Despite this, many of us still underestimate the pace at which humanoid robots are advancing and often dismiss them as mere novelties. Elon Musk actually appreciates this underestimation because it fuels his drive to develop machines, cars, and robots that astound the world. His creations stand apart from the competition, especially when compared to China's robots. Tesla's updates on their robot, Optimus, have been sparse, leading many to believe the project is stalled while rival robots like Unitree's G1 showcase boxing, table tennis, and advanced mobility. This misconception implies Tesla is falling behind Chinese robotics. However, what most people don't realize is that Tesla has been diligently refining Optimus Gen 3, which will debut later this year. This latest iteration promises upgrades that rival models will need years to match, focusing especially on expanding practical functions like cooking and cleaning inside homes. One of the most impressive features is its battery life, just 2 hours of charging to support 22 hours of continuous operation. Naturally, this increased capability comes with a higher price tag, well beyond the earlier $20,000 estimate. Is Tesla bot Optimus Gen 3 poised to be the humanoid robot that transforms the world? When will it become available for purchase? Let's explore. Why is there such a global race to create humanoid robots? And why has Elon Musk invested tens of billions of dollars into the Tesla bot? The heart of it lies in the massive profit potential these robots represent. For such profits to materialize, there needs to be huge demand, potentially billions of people willing to own one. But people will only pay for machines that deliver real usefulness. That's why Tesla avoids flashy but impractical stunts, like some Chinese robots do. Instead, Tesla concentrates on expanding Optimus's genuinely helpful abilities, especially within their own factories. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is gearing up for its launch this November, marking a new chapter in practical humanoid robotics. Imagine combining the best features of famous robots like C-3PO and R2-D2. That's the kind of personal assistant many envision Optimus becoming. It could be a trusted companion who manages your home duties seamlessly. To understand why Gen 3 is a game changer, let's revisit Optimus's journey. When announced at Tesla's AI Day in 2021, the idea was mocked as cosplay, just a person in a robot suit dancing on stage. But a year later, Tesla revealed a tangible, though still clumsy, prototype. By 2023, Gen 2 had improved significantly. It walked 30% faster, folded clothes, held an egg without breaking it, and even danced smoothly. In 2024, Optimus started working inside Tesla's factories, performing tasks like sorting batteries and supporting production lines. This year, the focus has been on enhancing real-world usefulness, both in factories and homes. Next year, it is expected to take on an even broader range of tasks. By 2026, Optimus could manage an impressive variety of responsibilities, cleaning your house, mowing the lawn, walking the dog, teaching kids, even babysitting. It will also help boost the production of goods and services. Envision having stress-free weekends because your robot has already handled all the cleaning and chores automatically. Even before reaching its premium versions, Optimus is proving it's more than just a prototype. Gen 2 already showed tasks such as picking up trash bags, opening trash bins, cleaning tables, tearing paper towels, stirring pots, vacuuming floors, and closing curtains. It also tackled more complex actions like checking packages, serving drinks, watering plants, opening car trunks, playing family games, and answering questions. These may seem like basic feats, but considering the robot is under 2 years old, Tesla's progress is impressive. Instead of merely adding more tasks at the Gen 2 stage, Elon Musk took a giant leap with Gen 3. This new version sports upgraded hardware, including a hand with 22 degrees of freedom, an OLED display from Samsung, a larger battery, and integrated Grok voice capabilities. The number of tasks has increased in complexity, with cooking being its most remarkable addition. The idea of a robot cooking once seemed laughable, but Tesla is turning this vision into reality. Optimus Gen 3 can learn directly from videos, picking up new skills incredibly fast, often after a single observation. Unlike humans, who might forget details, the robot never loses data. It can watch a cooking video and memorize the recipe within minutes. It can receive commands through voice and also decipher facial expressions and gestures. For example, if you point to dirty dishes, it understands to wash them. Such advanced capabilities are unique to Gen 3. Questions about safety come up regularly, like whether the robot knows to wash its hands after cleaning. Though Elon Musk hasn't explicitly answered this, it's quite probable. Tesla has equipped Optimus with sophisticated AI that analyze the work environment and the robot's condition, using tactile and environmental sensors. This allows it to detect whether its hands are clean or dirty, triggering an automatic hand-washing routine after handling trash or wiping surfaces. In simpler terms, Optimus isn't just a robotic puppet following commands blindly. It understands the context and environment, a vital feature for safety and usability. Without this, it could become a hazard. Imagine a robot grabbing food right after cleaning a bathroom without washing its hands. That's unacceptable. For Gen 3, Tesla increased battery capacity from 2.3 to 3.3 kilowatt hours to power new features like the OLED screen and voice integration. Despite the extra power draw, Optimus can work up to 11 hours continuously on a full charge and automatically docks for top-ups between shifts, achieving a total of around 22 hours of work daily. Navigating different environments is a major challenge that Gen 3 tackles brilliantly. Homes aren't industrial assembly lines with fixed setups. Each room and piece of furniture varies. A robot working at home needs to adapt quickly so it's not stuck or confused. Tesla's AI employs neural networks and SimReal technology to learn from first-person human perspective videos and adjust to new situations fast. If it finds a stain, it focuses on cleaning that spot instead of wasting effort on already clean areas. Its visual sensors and cameras create a 3D map of the home, allowing precise movement through rooms and skillful obstacle avoidance, pets, children, power cords, and more. Tesla aimed to produce 5,000 Optimus units by the end of 2025, but reality proved tougher. Technical challenges caused delays, and Elon Musk acknowledged nearly every component had to be redesigned and rebuilt from scratch. This shows how heavily Tesla has invested in perfecting the humanoid robot. However, the situation is now stabilizing, and the first units are expected to be delivered next year. Imagine having an Optimus. What would be the first task assigned? Will robots like Optimus create more jobs or take them away? The potential is enormous, and the future is closer than many realize. This new era of humanoid robots could reshape the fabric of daily life and work forever.